Hey friends, I started this Charles Wysocki puzzle. This is from the thrift store, Savers Thrift Store, $4.99, 30% off. No. This was inside the puzzle. 4 pieces to some other puzzle. Yeah. So bear with me. The ones that I own from the thrift store, I will be working. We don't know the condition. We don't know anything. This is so far the condition of this one. Don't know if it's all there. I could count it, but how many over 1,000 is it? Or is it over 1,000? How do you know? This is a 26 3/4 by 19 3/4 inches. So there you have that. We don't know anything. I'm just going to go for it. And I really don't like it. You get to the end, you put all this work into it. Womp, 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 womp. Yeah, when you get to the end of this, it's not fun. So for me, I'm not going to buy any more used ones at the thrift store. If I can find new ones, yes. Now the next thing I'm going to try, I'm going to look if I can find some on eBay that say they're all there, and I can get a puzzle lot, ones I would like to work, that are no more than $5 a piece for each puzzle. I'm going to do it. That includes shipping. Shipping's getting so high, it's getting harder to find on there. And they're putting the Dollar Tree puzzle bug for a high price. Ugh. And then I'm going back to Dollar Tree this week and next week. There was a week in between, but I just don't know if I want to do that. I'm going to go back to that one because I'm going to be over there anyway. I'm going to run inside, just look at the puzzles and run out. I'll be in there all of 2 minutes, however long it takes me to walk back to the puzzles, walk out. Because I don't think this week they will, if they will. Maybe because it's been a week in between. But I recently got 21 of the 500-piece puzzle bug, and I got some 350s. The 350s are junk. I don't want any more. They got pieces hanging on them, cardboard, and stuff. And they're not the same. They don't stay together as good. No. I don't even want the ones I have. But we'll see. Hey, for $1.25, but still. They need to sell stuff that's usable. Really and truly. And the 500s are pretty good. At least I know they're all there. So I'll be doing some of those, some of the thrift store I have. And I'm going to find some on eBay. But they have to guarantee that they're all there. And if I should find out they're not all there, they're going to hear about it. But if I get, let's say I get 10 or 12 puzzles in one bunch, a lot. It would be a lot. And, that's going to take me a while to work that many puzzles. I don't go fast. I'm not Speedy Gonzales here, no. But, yeah. So, with that said, where is this going? the fence. That's part of a fence. Maybe I'll be onto something if we can get them cheaply from eBay. But the postage, that's just killing it. I don't know if I can get any. And I don't know how many of these from the thrift store. I hate to be out money, but if they're not going to be all here, do I want to work them? It's tempting just to put them on Craigslist for free. Here you go, but keep my very favorites. Now I've got 2 different ones for December holiday time that I'm going to work. So, yeah, we'll see. But they're from the thrift store. One's a 400 piece, which is odd size. And then, yeah. So, anyway, so far so good. The border's all here. But I got this. Yes, I get this. Okay, well, thanks for watching. Bye.